Let's do this. Let's make a simple address display planter for your entry. It's easy to make, it's beautiful, and it's perfect for spring. So, let's do this. Here's a quick shot of what you're going to need. All available, of course, at your nearest Home Depot. One 1x8 pine board, which you'll cut 2 pieces that are 20 inches long, and 2 pieces cut to 3x7 inches. One 1x3 pine board, which you'll cut 3 pieces that are 11 inches long. For materials, you'll need a sample size of chalk paint, a sample size of cream wax, a small paintbrush, a clean soft rag, a sanding sponge, some wood glue, a 3x7 galvanized tie, 3 2x4 galvanized mending plates, a saw-toothed picture hanger kit, house numbers, 1.5-inch wood screws, and of course, gloves and safety goggles. For tools, you'll need a tape measure, hammer, and a drill and driver bits. First, sand and smooth all the edges of the boards. Paint them. Then lightly sand the edges of the boards, removing some paint to give it a distressed look and to define each individual board. Next, line up the 3 boards for the front of the planter, making sure they're even, and place the mending plate across the back of the planter face the long way. Now screw in place. Now, take the galvanized tie plate and line it up under the sides of the planter. Drill pilot holes, and then screw into place, making a U shape. With the U flat, lay the face plate of the planter, centered over the U. In the center of each front plate board, pre-drill a centered hole. Then screw the front in place. Next, assemble the backboard. Just as the faceplate of the planter box was formed, lay the backboards together and using 2 mending plates bridging the 2 boards to create one full unit. Now, use a soft cloth and cover both parts of the project with the wax cream. Rub it in and buff it off. The sheen is great. Next, attach sawtooth hangers to the back of the board. Situate the planter on the front of the board. Find where you like it best. Measure where it is, and then flip the board over and replicate the measurements. Pre-drill the holes through the backboard into the planter walls, then screw into place. Flip your board over and add the house numbers. And now the final step. Hang your address board and fill the planter with your favorite plants or flowers. That's it. Great job! For even more hands-on help on this and other projects, go to homedepot.com/workshops and sign up for a free in-store workshop near you. Now you know how. See you next time.